Welcome to AIME. Today in this video we are going to solve a question or a trigonometric problem, and we will solve this expression in the two ways, or it means that I will tell you the two methods to solve this question in this video. So our given question is sin x minus cos x whole square equal to 2 over 9, and which is a given equation, and required equation is sin x plus cos x whole square equal to what? So first I will tell you the first method, and in order to solve this expression or this question, first I should take this sin x minus cos x whole square equal to 2 over 9. And if I take this sin x equal to a and this cos x is equal to b, as we know that a minus b whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and this sin x is a and this cos x is ba, then this formula can be expanded a minus b whole square formula as sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x, and the remaining part of the equation, which is equal to 2 over 9, will remain same. Now from the trigonometric identity, as we know that this sin square x plus cos square x will be equal to 1, so I will insert the value of sin square x plus cos square x from the trigonometric identity is equal to 1 here, and I will get 1 after replacing this value from the 1, and minus 2 sin x cos x equal to 2 over 9 will remain same. Now in the next step, this minus 2 sin x cos x will move to the other side of the equation and convert in positive sign, and this 2 over 9 will move to the other side of the equation and it will convert in minus 2 over 9. Now in the next step, I will simplify this expression by taking LCM, and I will get 7 over 9, because this 9 will multiply with this 1 and it will be equal to 9, and minus 2 will be applied after 9 in this 9 value, and we will get 9 minus 2 equal to 7. Over 9 will be remain same, and this will be equal to 2 sin x cos x. Now as we know that we will take the next expression, which is sin x plus cos x whole square, and as we know that from a plus b whole square formula, if this sin x is a and this cos x is b, then this expression can be expanded from the a plus b whole square formula as sin square x plus cos square x is equal to plus 2 sin x cos x. Now as we know that from the trigonometric identity, this expression, which is sin square x cos square x, is equal to 1, and this expression can be replaced this 7 over 9. So we will replace both values inside this equation, and we will get 1 plus 7 over 9, because this value will replace with 1 from the trigonometric identity, and this value will replace 7 over 9 from this expression. Now in the next step, we should simplify this condition by taking LCM, and we will get 16 over 9, because this 9 will multiply with this 1 and it will be equal to 9, and 9 plus 7 will be equal to 16. Over 9 will remain same, and this is the answer for this expression for the first method. Now in the next step, I am going to tell you the second method for this question, and if sin x is a and cos x is b for this expression, then a minus b whole square formula for this expression, or this expression can be expanded a minus b whole square formula as sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x, which will be equal to sin x minus cos x whole square. And as we know that sin x plus cos x whole square formula will be equal to sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. If I add the both expression, then this both values will cancel out together, and we will get 2 sin square x plus cos square x is equal to sin x minus cos x whole square plus sin x plus cos x whole square, because sin square x will be equal to 2 sin square x, cos square x plus cos square x will be equal to 2 cos square x, and both values will be same, and we will take as sin x minus cos x whole square plus because we are adding both expression, and then we should write this expression which is sin x plus cos x whole square. Now in the next step we should take common 2 from both of these values, and we will get 2 as a common value, and sin square x plus cos x square will be the remainder. The other part of the equation will remain same. Now from the trigonometric identity, this sin square x plus cos square x will be equal to 1, and from the question we can see that sin x minus cos x square equal to 2 over 9. So we will replace this sin x minus cos x whole square from 2 over 9, and the remaining part of the equation will remain same, which is a required question. Now in the next step, this 2 will multiply with 1 and we will get 2, and this 2 over 9 will move to the other side of the equation and it will convert minus 2 over 9. Now in the next step we should simplify this expression by taking LCM, and when we multiply this 9 with this 2 we will get 18, and minus 2 will remain same, over 9 will remain same, and the other part of the equation will remain same. Now 18 minus 2 will be equal to 16, and over 9 will remain same, and this is the answer for the second method for the expression sin x plus cos x whole square. You can see that here I told you the two methods for this expression to solving this question. And first for the first method we should get the value is 16 over 9, and for the second method we get the value for this expression is 16 over 9, and you can see that both values are same but method are different. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.